Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is V or Victoria. Guess what this
Every night I try to love, but your heart is made of stone. All my tears, they fall like rain, yet you leave me here alone. I give you all I have inside. You pretend it's all pretend. Your empty eyes, they break me down. Will this torment never end? Endless pain, it's all I know. Hurt me more or let me go. In this game, my heart will lose. Change your ways or set me loose. Cold nights and colder days, living in the shadows maze. Guess I never find the light, living in this endless night. Promises I never keep, whisper lies when I'm asleep. Lonely, I'll just sit and weep. Love me now or let me leave. Endless pain, it's all I know. Hurt me more or let me go. In this game, my heart will lose. Change your ways or set me loose. Endless pain, it's all I know. Hurt me more or let me go. In the
Tom, you came here to get results. It's time to push your body past pain is.
Hi guys. You caught me while I was working out. I decided to be serious with this thing. Working out. I've had this rope for almost 3 months and it was just sitting there. So I decided this week I'm going to be serious and I'll be working every 5 o'clock. And now I started at 4:45 and now it's 5:30. Welcome guys, for those who are new here, you're most welcome. And my returning subscribers, you realize that I wasn't available. I took a break for a month. I just wanted to reset and now I'm back. So guys, I've just had 500 skips. 500 skips is at 5:30 right now. And my aim was to work for 1 hour. I'm still not that tired. Let me see if I can work for the rest 30 minutes. So by 6 I should be done. I want to see if by 1 hour I'll reach 1000 skips. I just want to estimate how long it takes for me to have 1000 skips. Guys, I know you're wondering why I'm working out. I'm not that like, it's not like I'm working out to lose weight. Even if I don't have that much weight, sometimes when I'm doing some things, I can really feel, hey, no, I shouldn't be breathing this much. Like, I can feel I'm not fit even if I'm not that heavy, you know. And I have a bum. Should I call it a bum? It's whiny bambi sometimes when I'm wearing my best clothes, like this. I don't like the way my potty shows itself out, you know, like people concentrate so much on the potty. I even remember friends of mine who waited for me to give birth because they thought I was pregnant, and it was just a potty. Let me show you how it looks. Just place you here. You see this potty? You see how it looks? Oh, there's a lot of sweat. This thing is really capturing the sweat. There are drops there. You see this potty? It really comes out. And even these love handles, I'm getting love handles and I'm not hazinifurahishi hizi love handles. So I want to see I'm not yet sure what challenge I'm going to try, whether it's 75 or 30 days challenge, but I'm hoping the challenge that I'll choose, at least the kakapoti kata reduce. So it's just trying to get rid of the potty. I also want to be fit. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. So far, wherever you've gotten right now, you can see you're enjoying my content. So I request you guys to just subscribe. I'm aiming to get to 200 by November mid. Yeah, by November mid, I'm aiming to get to 200. Thank you guys for subscribing. Those who have subscribed, you're most welcome in this channel. Feel at home. Feel free to interact with me. Hi guys. Welcome. I wanted to show you a few things that I got from town. We left here at 11 and we're getting here right now at 7. You can imagine. So we had to zunguka and look for a few things that we wanted, especially this. It's a jiko. We wanted a jiko because I'll be meal prepping, especially cereals. So I got 2 liters, not 2, I don't know, 4 liters, because I think this is 2 liters, 4 liters of milk, 2 debes of charcoal for the jiko, and a packet of worker chips, minced meat for samosa. My husband will be making samosas. I bought this cabbage at 25. So I'll be chopping it myself when we're cooking either rice or ugali. And this was 160 bob. There were 2 debes for 80. And hizi ziko peke yake. So some sweet potatoes for breakfast. I got 4 of this to store the cereals that I'm going to boil. And 1. And I bought some soap materials to make soap for the house, especially the one that I can use to mop the floors, bathroom floors. I'll show you while I'll be making it. These are the cereals that I'm going to boil and store them in the fridge. There is ndoko, we call it ndoko in my language, and I have ndokoi. Ndokoi is like maize that is peeled. It's not githeri anymore because the outer coat is removed. And yellow beans, 1 kg, and green grams. These are special green grams, they're not the normal ones. So I'll be boiling these. Let me show you how they look. This is how they look. So hizi ni seeds za kunde. Kama umekula kunde is mboga. When the kunde is mature enough, inatoa seeds kama beans. Yep. So that's what I'm going to boil today.
Every minute slipping by, even when I close my eyes. Ruthless, I know.
for the color. This one is perfume. Normally when it's for washing utensils, we'll never wash utensils with it, so no, you don't put the perfume because the utensils will be extremely smelly. So because this one is just for scrubbing the floors, I would prefer putting the perfume. But the perfume you put it after you've already mixed everything.
Foolish and wrong. You always keep the things in my mind, guiding me back ashore in my darkest days. Try to hold on to the things I can't keep. Slipping my fingers, I was losing control.
Hizi pesa zinaniweka roho juu, kula vitamu mama mpaka sikukuu, na navyo safa mwezako kama kiriku, yeah. Upate kula upate na viwalo juu, baby niko so down, mwezako bado naumiza ndonga, usije ukanichoka, baby tena ukanitosa, mwezako niko so down, baby bado naumiza ndonga, usije ukanipa utaila, taila, usisikize tantarila, tantarila. Oh mama, I go get some money for you, Versace, Gucci and Prada. You like it sushi, my lover. For you, don't you worry, baby mama. My baby mama, ukisusa najitukana, moyo wangu na ugawanya roju. Tunafanana, mie nawe tunajichana, kama kundi tunagandana like kwenye msoto baby bado po, unanidekeza katoto, kwa baridi wanipa joto, bado kona mie, usiku watulali mapopo, tukikesha hadi machoko, unanipa tu my love, 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 bado kona mie. Baby niko so down, mwezako bado naumiza ndonga, usije ukanichoka, baby tena ukanitosa, mwezako niko so down, baby bado naumiza ndonga, usije ukanipa usisikize tantalila. Oh mama, I go get some money for you. Versace, Gucci and Prada. You like it sushi, my lover. For you. Don't you worry, baby mama.
Thought the praying would make it better, but I swear to God I'm just as lost as ever. Thought the bottle would hold me over, it still hurt me just as bad when I got sober. Everyone around me's found a way to let it go, but I can't help but focus on the things I can't control. All the darkness in my mind, pain that I can't leave behind. I know there's a silver line that I can't see. All the cold and sleepless nights, running out of ways to fight. I know there's a morning light in my reach, if I keep buying time. I stopped going out to bars, I quit smoking. Thought that giving that all up would keep me going. I got over people pleasing, I quit falling into love that had no meaning. I could search forever for a peace I'll never know, but I can't help but focus on the things I can't control. All the darkness in my mind, pain that I can't leave behind. I know there's a silver line that I can't see. All the cold and sleepless nights, running out of ways to fight. I know there's a morning light in my reach, if I keep buying time. There's a storm inside my dreams, I'm still standing on 2 feet. Let the current carry me when the water gets too deep. All the darkness in my mind, pain that I can't leave behind. I know there's a silver line that I can't see. All the cold and sleepless nights, running out of ways to fight. I know there's a morning light in my reach, if I keep buying time. Every minute slipping by, even when I close my eyes. Ruthless, I know. You might even wonder why I go MIA sometimes. I can't deny. Try to hold on to the things I can't keep. Through my fingers, I was losing control. Took a couple months till you knocked on my door. Sat by the sea while the waves fell asleep. Didn't know what I should have let go. Thought I lost my way, but now I am sure. If I spend all my days.
Hey guys, I'm done with my cleaning for today. I hope you enjoy the vlog. I'm just going to end it here, and hopefully I'll see you in the next vlog, right? Yeah.